Hello everyone, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. So I just want to share with you what I have noticed in my tutorial today for my juniors high school students. So I've noticed that though they already have the background about PEMDAS, PEMDAS, the sequence on how to manage if you are given a mixture of mathematical operations in a certain item to be solved. So they have to follow the PEMDAS. So one thing I have noticed is that when they're dealing with combining numbers of different signs, they're in trouble. So I taught them how to manage if they have that case that they're going to add or subtract or combine numbers of different signs. So I just taught them the simple rule, simple but very important. Like for example, when you combine numbers of different signs, the rule is, or when you combine numbers, or in algebra, when you combine similar terms or like terms, so the rule is to add, add the numbers or add the terms. Then after that, you have another rule under that rule. So add, because there are possibility that you will add numbers of different signs. So the rule is, if you add numbers of different signs, you have to subtract. And after subtraction, the result will carry the sign of the bigger number. Okay? Now, if they're combining numbers or terms of different the same signs, so the rule is they have to add and then carry the common sign. Okay, so that's the simple rule, very important, and should be remembered always.